In this video, I will explain you about the stock reservation functionality. This option allows the reservation of inventory in the warehouses in expecting receipt of purchase orders and production orders. To work with the feature, you will need to enable the option Stock Reservation from Administration, Purchasing and Warehouse Settings. Reservation of the inventory item can be done from the warehouse for a particular customer order. Let's open an existing customer order to show the working of this feature. Go to Sales module, open Customer Order. Let's open an existing customer order. The Reserve Inventory option will be enabled once the document is posted. Go to Reserve Inventory option. The inventory reservation form with customer order items will appear. The form is divided into three parts. On the left side, inventory for reservation is specified. If you click the inventory in the left window, available balance in the warehouses will be mentioned. In the bottom part of a form reservation, inventory and warehouses are displayed. To complete this field, double-click in the upper right window. Or you can use the option Fill by Warehouses or Fill by All Warehouses to complete this field. If you select Fill by Warehouses, you will have to specify the warehouses for inventory reservation in the displayed window. If you select Fill by All Warehouses, you will reserve inventory in different warehouses. If there is no enough inventory in one warehouse, the rest will be reserved in others. Once done, click the Create Inventory Reserve document to reserve inventory. Click on Yes to continue with the reservation. Once done, the reserve inventory will be displayed in the additional tab, that is under the reserved inventory tab. You can also create inventory reserve document from the generate option in the customer order. Click on generate option and choose the inventory reserve document from the drop down. Let's create one from a different customer order. Go to sales module again. Open a different customer order. Click on generate option and generate inventory reserve. All the data will be filled in the document automatically from the customer order, except the warehouse detail in the inventory tab. Warehouse has to be selected from the inventory tab manually. Change the quantity to if the quantity to be reserved is different from the quantity mentioned in the customer order. Choose the warehouse and the quantity. This option has to be used when there are quantities available in stock or production. Once the details are filled, you can post the document. Beside the creation of reservation from customer order, it can also be created from warehouse module. Let's create an example. Go to warehouse module, open inventory reserve document. You'll find the list of reserves here. To create a new one, click on create option and fill in the required tabs. In the main tab, choose the transaction type as create reserve and add the customer order for which you would like to reserve the item. Once the customer order is added, click on fill by customer order option to have the details filled in the inventory tab. Add the warehouse detail and the quantities if it is different from the customer order. Once the details are filled, post the document. You can refer Report Inventory Reserve from Warehouse module to have the list of the items which has been reserved with the customer order. Go to Inventory Reserve Report. You will find the customer order and the item detail which has been reserved with its quantity and cost price. You can also refer other reports like Stock Balance from Warehouse module to get the details about the items reserved. Once you create an invoices, the reserved items will be allocated to the invoice and will be removed from the reports. Thank you for watching the video.